For more detailed analysis, use PDF reports. These are great for deep dive meetings where you need to present everything that happened in a project over a set time period. To generate one, go to PDF reports in the left menu. Here you can customize the content, remove anything that's not relevant, or for your first report, include all available data to see what's most useful. Now, let's make it your own. You can set the language, choose mentions based on your saved filters or tags, and remember the Add to PDF report button in the Mentions tab. If you've saved specific mentions, you'll find them in the Quotes section here. Just make sure to tick the Quotes option in Included Data. You can also add your logo, description, and brand colors before clicking Generate Report. Once it's ready, scroll through your first media monitoring report. And remember, each report needs to be customized. Or we'll generate a default version.